Subscribe to House to Home. This is absolutely free. And also tap the bell icon so that you will get all notifications from our channel. Hello friends and welcome back to House to Home. This recipe is on chicken thoran. Here are all the ingredients required. You require about half kg of boneless chicken cut into small pieces. 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, about 10 red chilies, half cup of grated coconuts and a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 medium-sized onions chopped, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic coarsely pasted, 2 green chili and a handful of curry leaves. And for the tempering, you require these whole spices: cinnamon stick, fennel seeds, cardamom and cloves. Now you need a teaspoon of garam masala powder, mustard, turmeric powder and coconut oil. So these are all the ingredients required. Now let's see the making. Onto your pan, added coconut oil. This is a very typical Kerala recipe, so I suggest you to use only coconut oil for good taste. Add in the temperings. Add only 2 red chilies now. Keep the remaining. Add all the temperings together and saute it until the mustard cracks. Now add in the 2 chopped onions and saute it. Now add in salt for speeding up the process. Add turmeric powder. And the ginger garlic paste. Add chicken. Now at the same time, powder the red chilies and coriander seeds together. Also add in the 2 green chilies and grind it as well. Add garam masala to the chicken and the powdered red chili, green chili and coriander. Mix everything together. Cover and cook for about 5 minutes in low flame. Also, don't forget to add in the curry leaves. Now in a blender, take cumin and coconut and make it as a coarse paste. After 5 minutes, you can see that the water is oozing out from the chicken. So at this stage, add the coconut mix. Now the coconut mix goes in. Spread it all over the top. Don't give a mix. Cover and cook for 2 minutes so that the raw smell of the coconut goes off. Now after 2 minutes, open the lid and mix the chicken. When the water gets completely dried up, that would be the correct stage that the chicken is ready. This tastes very good with rice and rasam. I personally love this recipe a lot. Hope you will give this recipe out a try and let me know your reviews in the comment section below. Thanks for watching House to Home.